How to make money with Etsy. Want to make money selling creative products online? Here's how to make money with Etsy. First, create an Etsy shop and set up your profile. Choose a shop name that fits your brand or niche. Next, decide what you want to sell. Popular options include digital products, printables, handmade items, stickers, planners, and custom designs. Create high-quality product listings with clear photos, strong titles, and detailed descriptions. Make sure your products look professional and appealing. Use keywords in your listings so people can find your shop through Etsy search. When you make a sale, Etsy handles the payment processing, and you ship the product if it's physical, or deliver it instantly if it's digital. To grow faster, focus on trending niches and upload new products consistently. You can also scale by creating digital products that sell repeatedly without extra work. The key is consistency and creativity. Start small, publish your first listings, and build your Etsy shop over time.